I get that. Right.
Yeah. So then I was just like I said.
Oh, Jesus. Sound check.
Huh. Aww.
Well, the camera's picking up something. We didn't lose it forever. It didn't get lost forever.
Yeah, we don't really know how good the mic is on the camera anyways. That was the... We did
It
that
should
on
be
purpose.
pretty good.
That was the test.
It's a left and right. Yes.
Yeah, it was a
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It was on purpose. I just blew a big snot out my nose. Wow. Whoa.
I hope you can see it.
I don't know. It's like slow-mo and zoom in. I just wiped that into my jeans. And... Oh, boy. Well, that's not on audio. Hello.
The video camera audio.
Hello. I can't remember what we were saying earlier. That was a good sound check, but this ain't a good sound check now. No, boy, this ain't a good sound check. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Well, is it?
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting excited. I'm talking about how you don't got that hell. No, you do that. Hey, that's a perfect fucking sound check. It's like really slow white noise, you know? Instead of slow it way down. Oh, the perfect sound check. CD. Congratulations. Call the number at the bottom of the screen for the CD. Call the number. Call the number right by my belly. Oh. Oh.